Lakeland is one of the largest dairy producers in the whole of Ireland. We have approximately 3,200 producers. We produce a range of products from whole milk, UHT milk, butter and cream. We've been using DAN Palletiser for quite a number of years now, mainly in our factory in Belfast. Also here we have installed a new robotic system for the new butter line.
We started up the conversations a year and a half ago, I think. And now we have installed 2 robots and there's 1 more robot to come to handling the products and also complete wrapping system.
Before we had the robots in, we had to manually lift the butter from the end of the line, and the box of butter can be up to 25 kilos in weight. So obviously this is a lot of lifting for people every day, 7 days a week. It's all done by robots, and obviously then the guys aren't, from a health and safety point of view, lifting butter all day, every day.
The importance of this cooperation we have had here is to see the opportunities. What can we bring into the business? How can we automate a system that was purely manually labor intensive?
Working with Dan so far has been very productive. We have a good relationship here with Dan and Lakeland Dairies. So in the future, we definitely work with Dan with future products.